Allentown, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location.
That was unexpected.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order.
Didn't know this was
The
going to
warning
happen.
alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Pike, and Schuylkill. And in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
Hopefully I get some severe weather today and some flash flooding coverage because it's expected today.
Flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect through late tonight. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where portions of northern Delaware, including the following area: Newcastle, New Jersey, including the following areas: Camden, Gloucester, Mercer, Middlesex, northwestern Burlington, Salem, and Somerset, and southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, lower Bucks, and Philadelphia. When? Through late tonight. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: a high precipitable water air mass is moving over the mid-Atlantic and will combine with the frontal system to produce highly efficient, slow-moving showers and thunderstorms. These storms will have the potential to produce 1 to 3 inches of rainfall per hour, which, over the urban corridor, could result in flash flooding, especially over impervious surfaces. If storms end up back building, the potential exists for up to 6 inches of storm total rainfall over very isolated areas. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m.
Whoa.
At 4:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bloomsbury to near Milford to near Pleasant Valley, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Somerville, Bridgewater, Forks, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Byram, Chalfont, Tinicum, High Bridge, Clinton, Peck and Gladstone, New Hope, Alpha, and Dublin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding.
Oh, yeah, we know that.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Somerset, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Lehigh, and Northampton.
Cool. Иди нахуй, сука, блядь.
Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morris County in northern New Jersey, eastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, north central Mercer County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near White House Station, or 9 miles west of Somerville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, North Brunswick, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Manville, Jamesburg, Flemington, High Bridge, Clinton, Peck and Gladstone, Lebanon, Far Hills, Rocky Hill, and Millstone. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset.
Awesome.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 11 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Bensalem, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Jenkintown, Narberth, and Bordentown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Cool.